Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet, and today I'm going to show you guys how to, I won't say fix a WD-40 can, but I will say this, that I'll show you a way to still get the contents out without throwing away and wasting your money. This right here is the new Easy Reach system. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's like $1 or $2 more. It's not worth it, so don't buy it. And what it basically does is the hose is flexible like this, but it's really junk, guys. I thought it was really great when I first got it, but now it's nothing but a pain in the butt. So you go to spray, and that's all the way depressed. Nothing coming out. You can hear the air and everything else. Like I said, it barely even moves. So what I did is I took it, turned it upside down, give it a couple shakes, and now it comes out. So I'm not saying it's a perfect way to fix something, but it's definitely a way of sort of saving your money and not having to waste time by running back to the auto parts store. So this is a quick, simple tip. Don't waste your money on this Easy Reach system. Just go with the old conventional spray system. It's a lot better, less headaches. I've never come across this on the regular spray aerosol cans, but if you have, or if you have a better idea, comment below. I'd like to hear from you. I don't know how many cans I've thrown away in the past, but I happened to drop this and picked it up, and that's how I found out how that system works, by turning it upside down. It may be a secret that everybody knows, but I just found it out. I thought it'd be a great tip to pass on to everyone. So there you go, guys. It may help you, it may not, but it helped me in a pinch. I don't even remember how much that even was, but still, it is what it is. So thank you guys again. Thank you for your support. It's just a quick how-to. So stay warm, be safe, take care, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys.